Hey, my name's Corey. I'm with Peak Pools and Spas, also on DIY Network's Pool Kings. And I just wanted to tell you guys about this amazing, amazing product. We use these on almost all of our pools that require an autofill. And I cannot speak highly enough about them. They are hands and they're so much better than all the other products on the market. And really simple, really simple. All the pipes and stuff you have to mess with is all at the equipment. You don't have to break up your deck to add an autofill line or anything. It's all at the equipment where it doesn't mess up your pool. Everything's wireless. The puck that goes in your pool, you set the water level on this puck. It sits in your pool on the tile line or whatever height you want it at, and it communicates wirelessly with the base and checks your pool at least once an hour, maybe more, depending on however you want it, and turns on the autofill. You don't have to worry about it. You set it and forget it. Your pool stays at the level you want it, and you're good to go. Super easy to use. I'm pretty stupid and I can use it, and I cannot speak highly enough about this. You guys check them out. Kona Labs. Check them out. I promise you'll be happy.